Joey, a Mother's Day gift. It says, to Mom from Joey, I love you, Mom. See that? Okay. I'm going to open it, okay? Oh, sending lots of love your way on Mother's Day. Love, Joey. Oh, look at this! Joey has some hearts in his hand flying up. You see that? Very nice. Oh, and then look. We have a calendar. And there's a letter in the back. And I'm going to read that letter, okay? You see that letter? Okay, I'm going to read that letter. It says, Dear Mom, thank you for taking care of me when I am sick. I love you because you always buy clothes for me. I also love you because you always cook for me and my sisters. Thank you for being a great mom. I love you. Love, Joey. Aww, thank you, Joey. That's it.